Welcome to Static Edits and Media. I'm going to show you two ways on how to update your Fire Stick. Start off by heading to the settings icon. By hovering over the icon, scroll down and select My Fire TV. Then select About, then scroll down to Install Updates. Repeat this process as much as needed. Now, once your Fire Stick is fully updated, let's begin with the second step. Head over to the right and select the F+ icon. Once uploaded, select Update. On your Fire TV remote, select Down. A light shaded box will appear in the bottom right corner over the word Cancel. Move that light shaded box to the right and select Install. Now repeat this method for each installed app and follow along. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. That concludes the video. Thanks for watching.